enjoy good drinks, but I live for food. So if you're same with me, you are definitely in the right channel. So let's go! Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. And it's another weekend, and we hope that your weekend is doing fine as well. So, today nga, we're gonna do another food trip episode. But before we go there, let's just make sure that things are in place dito sa bahay. Sikasuyin na natin ang ating mga pets. So let's go! Oh well, for sure lahat kayo makaka-relate guys. Kapag naglinis ka ng kotse dito sa Pinas, madalas na kasunod niyan ay isang malakas na ulan. Pero okay lang yan. Nga pala guys, ang ating food trip episode for today is going to be located in Makati. Yes, heard it right. For the first time, we're gonna try the Luxury Buffet located in SM Jazz. So nag-SLEX nga tayo guys, nag-Skyway tayo. Pagbaba niyan ay malapit na yan sa basement parking ng SM Jazz. At paglabas nyo nga doon, bubungad na sa inyo ang iba't ibang klaseng restaurants na pwede nyong kainan. And of course, if you're planning to stay in Makati, pwede kayong mag-staycation dito sa taas na ito dahil napakaraming condo units na ito sa taas. You can just check them out in Airbnb. But anyway, andito tayo guys para po-mood trip. So, dito tayo kakain ngayon sa Luxury Buffet by Vikings. So, we suggest guys to secure your reservation kaysa maghintay kayo ng matagal through walk-in. Pero pwede din naman kayo mag-walk-in. So, eto na, we're here inside. One of the things that I really like in this place is the design. It's very lively and modern. And also, makikita nyo, napaka-spacious din ng kanilang dining area. Hindi tayo magsisiksikan kung sakaling mapuno natin to. And this is also ideal if you have some special occasion dahil they can really accommodate a lot of people. So dito nga guys, one of the things that I really like as well is yung kanilang mga chefs prepare and cooks the dishes real time. So that means it's freshly cooked. Hindi siya pinag-initan. O, diba? And of course, dahil ito ay buffet, they offer different kinds of cuisines. So hindi ka magsasawa. Mapapansin nyo guys, meron silang Filipino, of course, that's us. Meron silang Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Italian, and of course, hindi mawawala dito ang kanilang Western cuisines. And more than that, you can still also enjoy different range of appetizers, salads, seafood, grilled meats, and of course, unlimited desserts. So enough of the talking, tara mag-ikot na muna tayo dito and let's start digging. Let's go! So guys, after nga natin mag-ikot, ay ito na ang ating kakainin for today. So we're gonna start this dinner with roast beef, roast lamb, mashed potato, and a slice of New York pizza. Well guys, honestly, yung meats nila is very tender and juicy. Talagang sakto lang yung pagkakaluto. Hindi siya overcooked. Kasi pag overcooked, di ba, makikita mo namang super rubbery or super tigas ng meat na kain mo. But this one, sakto lang siya. Very juicy, tender, and saktong-sakto yung lasa niya with the gravy. Sabayan mo pa ng mashed potato. O, di ba, perfect combination talaga. And yung lamb nila, I know that lamb has a distinct taste, pero hindi siya ganun katapang. Talaga ma-appreciate mo pa rin yung juiciness and tenderness and flavor ng meat niya. Siyempre, after nga natin tikman yung mga nakuha natin, umikot na rin ulit tayo to get our second round. So, nag-testing tayo dyan ng pork siomai. And of course, we asked for binusog na lechon. Bagong luto daw yan. So, we're gonna test it. Right? Hingi tayo extra, of course. Hindi tayo babalik, di ba? Well, guys, their siomai, you can say that's really premium. Dahil napaka-meaty niya. You can really taste the shrimp, the pork, and saktong-sakto lang yung chili sauce nila. And of course, for the lechon, talagang napakasarap niya. Very crispy and juicy ng kanyang meat. So, ano pa hinintay natin? Tara, mag-food trip pa tayo dito. Let's go! Alright, so before nga matapos tong video, guys, let me share with you the cost here in Vikings. So, this recording is as of September 3 of 2024. So, if flash ko na lang din for your information. But if you're gonna go here between Monday to Friday, ang cost per head niya is 1,038 pesos. While weekends, that's Saturday and Sunday, that's 1,138 pesos per head. So, we suggest that you do your reservation para less hassle and smooth ang inyong dining experience. And shout out pala sa crew ng Vikings SM Jazz. We definitely had a smooth dining experience. And friends, guys, thank you so much for watching our short food trip episode, and we hope to see you on the next one. So again, stay humble, joyful, and above all, always do what makes you happy. Ingat tayo lahat!